Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the tie rod ends on a Kia Picanto. If you look here, give it a good clean, and there also. Here is the new part, and we can compare it, and it looks the same. Use some penetration oil. Let it soak. Now we can make this as straight as possible and then play it around, and then we can give it a few hits from here and pull it from the other side. We can insert a small screwdriver here, and with some leverage we can pull it out like this. And while it's still attached, before removing the whole thing, we can loosen this. We need the best grip we can on this nut, so I'm gonna use this wrench here, and it's better to give it some time with like penetrating oil, or we can give it some heat also. But in this case it looks clean, so I don't think I need heat. It's loose now, but I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna let it be almost like sitting on this, and then I'm gonna remove this, so when I put the new one, so I don't change the alignment of the car as much as possible. Anyway, the car needs alignment after this, but at least to drive it and not cause damage for the wheels. 17 millimeter. Now we can give it a few hits with the hammer and it should go down. So, and like it's coming back because of the rubber, not because that is like that it is spring loaded or like this. So this is a very bad one. Be sure that this nut is touching the tie rod end itself, and when we took it down, it came down like this. So now I can start rotating, and at the same time I can hold this so it doesn't move. So now I can remove it. We can clean this area. In this time we can check for the inner tie rod, and if you see it's hard and no play, this means that this is mostly good. We can put the new one. So now I'm gonna install it here. Be sure that it comes the whole way up. Can tighten slowly, and we can see if it's coming up at the same time. If not, this means that the ball inside is turning with the bolt. In this case, we can push it from down there, like hold it pushed, and turn the nut at the same time. So this is tightened and now it's sitting good. So now I will tighten this one. Now it's tightened. We are done here. We can put back the wheel, lower the car, and the alignment has to be done.